What's up, everybody? Just wanted to do a quick video about mistakes in the market, and I see two mistakes that people tend to make. People tend to make short-term mistakes, and then people tend to make longer-term mistakes. And I think that the longer-term mistakes are the ones that will end up causing people to fail. And it's the longer-term mistakes that I used to make that would cause me to fail, and it was putting more emphasis on the shorter term. So here's what I mean. A day or two ago, you might have seen me tweet about BlackBerry. And I bought BlackBerry, I entered that trade, and I ended up selling a bit of it the first day as it reversed. And then I ended up selling it, the rest of it, the very next day as it closed near the lows and it broke some very short-term support. And the intention for me on that particular trade was for it to be a swing trade. So ended up getting whipsawed on that one. Then I saw it reverse, and I saw it break out today, and I saw it continue to climb higher today. And so my original thesis that this is something that would break out and run, as of right now, seems like it would be working. And so what I would used to do would say, I was wrong, let me go back in, I'll buy it here, and then just hope that it would continue to work higher. And in the short term, I think that's something that a lot of people do, and yeah, it might work in the short term, but I think in the long term, well, when I've done things like that, it's something that would cause more whipsaw than actual times that it ends up working. And when you get whipsawed, it's not only hurting your physical capital, the dollars in your account, it's something that's also hurting your mental capital. And it puts you in a place where you're going to be more on the defense versus being on the offense, meaning that you're going to end up missing other trades that could have been better than the one that you thought, because you're too busy playing defensively in your mindset versus playing offensively on your mindset. And I know I talk a lot about defense and I talk a lot about risk management. This is a little bit different than that. Like, from your mental state, we need to be the aggressor. Well, we don't want to feel like, well, we're on our heels. We want to be in a position of confidence and strength. And in order to be centered and focused like that, it's far more important to do the things that will help get you there. And if that means missing a trade, so missing a little bit of potential upside, well, which I am, by the way, I'm missing some potential upside in BlackBerry right now if it continues to move higher. But it's also knowing that if it does continue to work and move higher, it'll offer other opportunities to get in. And so I just need to keep it on my radar and be ready for those, and then enter when and if the time is right. I think that's a mistake that many of us make, and it's a mistake that I know that I've personally made on many occasions as I was still learning it, and I'm still learning, and I'm pretty sure that I'll continue to be learning for the rest of my life. I think that the real takeaway is patience and continuing to do the right things over the long term. And remember, trading, just like many other things that you might want to do, but in particular, trading is more of a marathon versus a sprint. You want to win the marathon. Don't just focus on winning the sprint. If you treat trading like a sprint, you'll end up being too exhausted and end up losing in the long run. So let me know what you think about this. I was originally thinking of just putting this out on Twitter. Now I'm thinking that it's long enough where I might just put it on Facebook, or maybe just post it to YouTube. Wherever you're watching it, click the like button. Click that like button. It's going to help us. Subscribe to the channel, like the page, whatever it is, and leave some comments below. Let me know what you think. I'll talk to you again real soon. Take care. Have a great weekend.